from WQED's education team.
I'm Vincent from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we are making a tube with marbles and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna make a marble run, okay? So for our marble run, we just found things that were in our house. We have scissors and we have a ruler.
We have tubes.
Yeah, we have all kinds of paper tubes that we're reusing, and we have a can to catch our marble at the bottom.
And some
packing tape. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut all of our tubes in half, like this. Hi, Roxy. Okay, so if it gets hard, make sure you ask a grown-up to help you. All right, so
yes,
now,
that's the most important thing.
all right, so we've got all our pieces. Now we are going to start to create a marble run on our foam board, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna tape these pieces. All right, so you wanna hold it up?
Okay.
And we'll start taping.
Start taping.
So if we put it like this and we put a marble on there, do you think the marble is gonna move?
Actually,
that is a really good idea. We just put it on a little bit of an incline.
I'm gonna say that's gonna win. Oh my!
Well, we've got some different balls. Which one do you want to try first? That one.
I think we should put a guardian. Well, it would bounce off of there and then go onto there, so that might be okay.
All right. Let's see if it works.
Cross my fingers.
Okay.
Oh!
It still didn't work.
I have it.
Maybe we should try another ball. Let's try this one and see what happens. That one's really heavy, that steel one.
Hi.
Hey, who's this?
Hi.
This is my dad, Mark.
Hi. Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Thank you. Hi.
And this is
This is my sister.
This is my brother, and he's an engineer, so he can help us.
Daddy.
Then maybe you can just put this one to make it more stiff.
Oh, that's a good
Tape it
idea.
on there. Just like that.
We just needed an engineer to help us. We did it!
High five!
Good job.
Thanks, Engineer Mark.
Good job.
All right, so
We did it!
we did it.
This is how you make a marble slide! Here's some more things we did later.
Go ahead.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna try the weight one first. That one went. Hey Daddy, why does the steel one go so fast?
Well, that's a good question, Vin. So for any object to take motion, it needs to have a force acting on it. And the force that's acting on these two marbles is gravity. The other component of the force is their weight. This marble's heavier, so it weighs more. So there's a higher force on it. So when you let this marble go, the higher force pushes it off the end of your track.
Ah,
Does that make
nice
sense?
one, Dad. I like it.